So here we go. The Shark Rocket is going to vacuum up some oatmeal and sugar because this beast threw some on the floor. Did you do it? Yeah.
I've always been a Hoover woman or a Bissell woman, as long as it was cheap, 40, 50, 60 bucks. But this thing right here is a powerhouse. I guess I just didn't know what quality was. Yeah, my vacuum cleaners sucked really well, but this thing, I mean, it is solid. This feels like a power tool. It's got a nice cushion grip. It's got a grip on the bottom there. When you set it down, it's stable. It's not too heavy that you can't use it, but yet you know it's a solid piece of machinery. The filter that's inside right here, I've never seen one like that, but okay. And this little nozzle right here is the beauty of the machine. It just fits into any of the attachments. And I've been reborn. What can I say?